In today's world, social media has taken over in many different aspects of life. Teens are beginning to use social media more and more, which can be a positive or it also could be a negative. And honestly, in general, has its positives and its negatives for all ages. But recently, studies kind of have been shown that self-image and identity are different for those who are more involved in social media, and wanting to post different things or share different things on social media to feel like it creates a better image of themselves, when in all honesty, it's not. And it honestly deals a lot with self-esteem and how people view themselves, even though we shouldn't need social media to feel accepted or to feel like we're viewed by society in a good way. It's important to just be yourself and to not care how you are portrayed on social media, besides the fact of being mature and respectful and safe.